Back here at home now, into the coronavirus here in the U.S. and the situation inside one American hospital. The alarming scene, worse than what they saw over the winter, and they're not alone. We learned just before we came on the air tonight that the Delta variant is now estimated to be the predominant strain of the virus here in this country. The CDC reporting tonight more than 64% of people 12 and older receiving at least one dose of the vaccine. President Biden late today short of his July 4th goal of 70% of adults with at least one shot, saying that hesitant Americans should think twice given what we're now seeing with this Delta variant. Here's Stephanie Ramos.
Tonight, the Delta variant now estimated to be the predominant strain of coronavirus in this country, making up more than 51% of new cases. Mercy Hospital in Springfield, Missouri is battling a COVID surge worse than last winter's, and nearly all those patients unvaccinated.
Get vaccinated so that you don't see this.
The hospital now forced to bring in extra ventilators and traveling nurses. Across town, 42-year-old Russell Taylor has been in the hospital for 3 weeks.
I really thought I was going to die. So it's probably the closest I've ever been to dying.
He was skeptical about the vaccine, but now wants to get his whole family vaccinated. Hospital admissions are now climbing in 10 under-vaccinated states. Outside Galveston, Texas, the Delta variant linked to an outbreak at a teen church camp with 147 people testing positive. Late today, the president acknowledging he didn't meet his July 4th goal of 70% of adults with at least one shot, saying this Delta variant should make everyone think twice, doubling down on reaching communities where shots are needed most.
Now we need to go to community by community, neighborhood by neighborhood, and oftentimes door to door, literally knocking on doors.
In Indiana, Dr. John Woodall and his wife doing just that, trying to answer any questions about the vaccine.
Just the mere fact of seeing the doctor that's been in the area made them feel, so, well, you know, if you felt like you could come to my door and knock and ask me to get this shot, I think I'm going to do it.
And Stephanie Ramos with us. And Steph, with concern about this Delta variant now here in the U.S., there's this new study, new numbers out from Israel that looked at the effectiveness of the Pfizer vaccine against this variant.
There is, David, new preliminary data from Israel where the Delta variant is surging shows that the Pfizer vaccine is 64% effective in preventing symptomatic COVID. That's down from 94%. But against severe illnesses and hospitalizations, the vaccine was 94% effective. David.
That's the key part, 94% effective at keeping you out of the hospital. Stephanie, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.